welcome to my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. Today I am doing stir-fried rice. So let's get started. For the stir-fried rice, we need 1 cup of boiled rice, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We also need 1.5 cups of mixed veggies. And when the parboiled rice is cooked, this is how it looks. We also need some paprika, sweet basil, parsley, black ground pepper, and sunflower cooking oil. I'm using a heavy based pan to stir fry my rice and the vegetables. Let's put it on medium heat. Add some cooking oil, about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil heats up, we can add in our ingredients. When steaming or boiling your rice, you will add half a teaspoon of salt as well as half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once that is cooked, that's how we get our savory rice. Okay, and it shouldn't be cooked too soft. It must be firm a little bit when you touch it with your fingers. And now the oil is heated up. Let's toss in the rice. Reduce your heat to medium-low. Stir it a bit. And we fry the rice. Add in your 1.5 cups of mixed veggies. And let's add in our spices. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sweet basil, half a teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a little bit of black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to toss it all in. Stir it well and reduce it to low heat. Let it cook and fry for a further 5 to 10 minutes, and then we can check up on it after that time. Keep tossing it until it dries up a little bit. Let's give it, this is in the 5-minute mark. Let's cook it for another 5 minutes, and this stir-fried would be ready to be served soon. Okay, so the stir-fried rice is ready. So we can switch off the stove and serve it. So if you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.